Welcome to Think Global Education Services. In this video, we are going to learn about calorimetry. Calorimetry is a method to determine the enthalpy change for a reaction using an instrument called calorimeter. The word calorimeter was derived from the Latin term called as calor, which means heat, and the Greek term called as metry, which means to measure. In a simple calorimeter, all the heat evolved in an exothermic reaction is used to raise the temperature of the water and in case of an endothermic reaction, the temperature of the water was reduced the heat was transferred from the water to the reaction chamber. By measuring the change in temperature of the water, the enthalpy of a particular reaction can be calculated. In this figure, we see a bomb calorimeter which contains a thermometer to measure the change in temperature of a reaction chamber, a sample cup which contains a reaction sample, and a water by which the heat change is transferred from the sample to the water in an exothermic reaction, whereas in case of an endothermic reaction, water will give out the heat to the sample. And we have stirrer to maintain a uniform temperature all through the system. The whole experimental setup is kept in an insulated container so that there would be no heat loss from the system to the surroundings. We shall now solve a problem in calculating the enthalpy change for a particular reaction. Over here, lithium chloride is reacting in aqueous medium. The first step is to convert the amount of the reactants into the number of moles. Therefore, amount of lithium chloride will be equal to the given mass divided by the molar mass, which will be equal to 0.020 moles. And the next reactant is the water. Therefore, amount of water will be equal to 36.0 gram divided by 18.02 gram per mole, which will be equal to 2.00 mole. So now we have to take the ratio, the amounts of lithium chloride and the water, which will be equal to 0.02 mole divided by 2 mole, that is 0.01. From the formula of delta H, we can calculate the enthalpy change for this particular reaction, which is delta H is equal to minus mass of water molecule into specific heat capacity of water molecule into the change in temperature of the water molecule over the number of moles of the limiting reagent. In this reaction, The limiting reagent is the lithium chloride. So the mass of water molecule which is given, that is 6.0 gram, into specific heat capacity of water is 4.18 joule per gram per degree Celsius, and the change in water temperature is 4.8 degrees Celsius, which is from 25 degrees Celsius to 29.8 degrees Celsius, over the moles of the limiting reagent, that is lithium chloride, is 0.02 moles, which will be equal to minus 36 kilojoule per mole. Therefore, in this reaction, the solid lithium chloride, on reacting in an aqueous medium, it forms aqueous lithium chloride, in which minus 36 kilojoule per mole of energy will be given out, indicating as an exothermic reaction. Thus, by means of calorimetry, one can easily calculate the enthalpy change for a reaction and predict whether a reaction